I'll show you how to use conanair in manual mode. First, please connect your computer, mobile phone, or tablet to the Wi-Fi access point, starting with CNA, and enter the key 199.20112. After connecting to 192.168.5.1 with our browser, you see the screen. Now, it's time to start metering. Make sure your device is active and is connected to 192.168.5.1. If it is, you can see a green battery display in the top right corner. If it's not, you'll see a gray Wi-Fi logo behind a question mark. For this demonstration, we selected point 04, ISO 4 from the sample file provided with the standard software. In practice, you can make and upload your own point definition file. You can easily make your own definition file by editing the included sample. Also, when you measure for the first time, you should click the measurement button only. You can download files and data later. Measurement time is fixed for 10 seconds. When measuring, the time will be displayed on the screen. After measuring, the result is displayed. Next, go to the setting in the top left corner and select Graph. When you click the bottom right button, you can choose graph types. When you click the right or left arrow key, you can see a panning time lapse. You can change the zoom level of a graph with the plus and minus keys. Now, let's go back to the setting in the top left corner and click the measurement button to download the file. You can download by clicking the download button. The file is in a dedicated format. You can convert it to CSV with a computer application. conanair pulls up automatically if there is no Wi-Fi connection for 2 minutes, or you can turn it off manually. Now, let's get started. Thanks for watching.